Welcome to this video on the employee who drains the manager. We'll explore how certain thinking patterns lead to constant supervision, frustration, and exhaustion for managers. Every manager knows the employees who create extra work. This person constantly needs reassurance, direction, and support. By the end of the day, the manager feels drained. The daily reality includes repeated questions, constant checking, and a need for reassurance. The employee misses details and cannot work independently. The manager becomes part supervisor, motivator, problem solver, and emotional support system. Managers often try more training, meetings, or supervision. They assume the problem is effort or attitude. However, the real issue is often the employee's thinking architecture. The employee may not naturally process work as the job requires. The LAB profile reveals patterns that affect independence, initiative, follow-through, and decision-making, among others. One such pattern is the external pattern. These employees need continual reassurance, approval, feedback, and validation to feel confident moving forward. The patience pattern can cause initiation problems. Employees with this pattern naturally wait, delay, or hesitate before acting. This appears to the manager as procrastination or lack of initiative. Procedures overload occurs with the procedures pattern. Employees needing exact steps and detailed direction may struggle when the environment changes quickly without precise instructions. The self pattern involves focusing more on one's own concerns and priorities rather than the needs of others. This employee's behavior can strain relationships with customers, coworkers, and the manager. The real cost is that the manager becomes exhausted, frustrated, distracted, and overloaded. Instead of leading, the manager is trapped managing one employee's predictable behavior patterns. The important discovery is that many of these problems are predictable before hiring. The lab profile helps identify these patterns before the hiring decision, avoiding months of frustration. The lab profile is the solution. It helps managers predict behavior, match people to roles, motivate precisely, reduce supervision, and avoid costly hiring mistakes. Understanding these patterns leads to more effective management and less frustration. Stop trying to fix predictable behavior problems after hiring. Learn how the lab profile helps managers predict performance before hiring. The right employee reduces stress. The wrong one multiplies it. Recognize the difference before the hiring decision is made.